So, you want to do your own remodel, do it yourself, and be your own contractor.
You've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Marcia Kohler. I've enjoyed over 20 years of residential design build. Let me share my experience and my trusted subcontractor resources with you.
Hi, Marcia Kohler with DoItYourselfRemodelSolution.com. We're at Kitchens by Wedgwood, serving the Front Range of Colorado with several showrooms in the Denver metro and Boulder areas for 28 years as fine cabinet makers and distributors. Ah, cabinets. So important. Nearly everything in a home remodel seems to revolve around them. The tremendous complexity of cabinetry and kitchen and bath design makes them a science. We in the industry have relied on Kitchens by Wedgwood for superior cabinetry and service for many years. And they're a recommended trusted supplier of do-it-yourself remodel solution. See the regional resource guide on the website. Wedgwood offers many different lines of cabinetry and a wide range of pricing. In a good showroom like this one, you'll see a host of displays with great variety, a tremendous assortment of door styles and wood species, and vignettes to give you ideas. Cabinets have one of the longer lead times in a home remodel. Your wait to receive cabinets after placing an order with Wedgwood will be just 2 to 7 weeks, though some custom cabinets out there take as long as 16 weeks to receive. And there are many items that won't be installed until after the cabinets go in, like countertops, backsplashes, wood flooring, and many of the trims and finishes. And they must all coordinate with your cabinets. So order your cabinets early. Collect photos of cabinetry that you like, and then bring those pictures along when you meet with your cabinet suppliers so they'll understand what you like. So it's absolutely essential that you work with very skilled and experienced cabinet suppliers that are experts in their field. With an expert, you can expect to meet and discuss your own personal tastes and preferences, as well as needs to meet your lifestyle. Then he or she will design your cabinetry for you with the complete room in mind and create drawings for you. You'll see exactly what the cabinets will look like. They'll give you a complete picture of every detail in your cabinetry so you'll know exactly what to expect. At Wedgwood, these plans are provided and included in the cost of your cabinets. Erin, one of the specialists with Wedgwood, is meeting with a client and reviewing the plans she's drawn for her. Note the detail in the drawings. Is there one piece of advice you'd like to offer someone undergoing a kitchen or bathroom remodel?
I would suggest that anybody contemplating a kitchen remodel should definitely work with a kitchen designer. That is a high ticket item between flooring, cabinets, countertops, appliances, and you don't want to make costly errors by not talking to the people who do this on a daily basis.
And all must coordinate with one another, correct?
Absolutely.
We'll help you stay on budget and be a success. We look forward to being the expert by your side. Remodel Solution, the solution to doing it yourself.